today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files on WPS Office. If you finished working on a document in WPS Office and want to save a copy to your computer, the process is very quick and straightforward. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, so your file is stored in the location you want and in the format you need. Start by opening your WPS file. This can be any document you're currently working on, such as a text file, spreadsheet, or presentation. Make sure the file is fully open on your screen before moving on, since all of the saving options will be found inside the document window. Next, go to the top left area of the screen and click File or Menu, depending on the version of WPS Office you're using. Some layouts may label this section a little differently, but it serves the same purpose. This is where you'll find options related to saving, exporting, and managing your document. From there, choose Save As. When you click this, your file browser will open. This step is important because it allows you to create a saved copy of the file instead of just updating the current version. It also gives you control over where the file will be stored on your device. Once the file browser appears, pick the folder where you want to save the file. For example, you might choose your desktop, downloads folder, documents folder, or another location that's easy for you to find later. If you like to keep your files organized, this is a good time to place the documents in a project folder or a dedicated work folder. After choosing the folder, you can edit the file name if you want. This is useful if you'd like the saved version to be easier to recognize, or if you want to avoid replacing another file with a similar name. You can also choose a different file type at this stage. For instance, depending on the document, you may be able to save it in the default WPS format or switch to another common format that works well for sharing or compatibility. When everything looks right, click Save. WPS Office will then save the file to the folder you selected using the name and file type you chose. And that's it. Your file has now been downloaded or saved from WPS Office to your device. If needed, you can open that folder afterward to confirm the file is there and ready to use.